Hi, everyone. This is Brian Kurtz with Healed by Spirit, inviting you to my connection workshop for business. Every aspect of business effectiveness has to do with the effectiveness of the communication. Could be management with staff or staff with management. Could be what happens in communication calls or sales relationships or client relationship management. Any and all of these have to do with the effectiveness of our communication. What I'm offering you in my connection workshop for business is a chance to acquire skills to generate what I call sacred space, where all communication, all relationship happens. All of the most meaningful relationships in our lives happen in that space, in that moment. In my workshop, you'll have a chance to peel away the layers to get to this very special place that we all contain, opening that up in ourselves to the people in front of us so that they can fall in and relationship happens. Magic happens. Beauty happens. All of the most important and meaningful pieces in our life happen in that moment, in that space. In my connection workshop for business, I will show you how to easily, with a little practice, and I do mean only a little practice, to easily access this place where relationships are cemented forever, where all of the most important points we wish to make flow out of us effortlessly so that we can deliver our message and be in a place to receive the communication so essential for real relationship building and business building. Interested? I'd love to offer it to your business. Prices are reasonable. Give me a call. 512-922-6043. I'll come to you either via Zoom call or live in person. And we'll work together to help you build your business, to build your effectiveness in the communication that it's essential to your business's survival and thriving. Be in touch. I'd love to make it available to your team. Thank you.